Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about which are the different hormones causing imbalances in our body and how we can diagnose them, and if we leave them untreated then what can happen. So, hormones are chemical messengers produced in our body that control and regulate the different activities of cells and organs. Neurohormones have an important impact on our brain. The human body produces hundreds of hormones, but the following four of them have a very direct influence on our brain health or mental health. First one is thyroid. It helps in regulating our energy. Estrogen is helping in mood modulation, while progesterone is nature's anti-anxiety hormone helping us in sound sleep. Testosterone plays a major role in mood, motivation, sexuality, and strength, while DHEA and cortisol are helping in managing the stress. Insulin is a major hormone which manages our blood sugar levels. So, communication between the brain and hormones goes both ways. The brain sends out signals that instruct our body's glands to produce and release hormones, and hormones from within the body send messages back to the brain that influence its activity. What are the core symptoms? When hormones are healthy, you tend to feel vibrant and energetic. When the hormones that affect your brain, neurohormones, are off, you are off. You may experience symptoms that change the way you think, feel, and act in negative ways. It also makes you more vulnerable to conditions like anxiety, depression, and even psychosis. If nobody checks your hormone levels, you will never know the root cause of your issues. So, how to diagnose these hormonal imbalances? There is no single test available to diagnose a hormonal imbalance. We need to do multiple blood tests and other diagnostic tests. Sometimes imaging tests are also required. We ask you to describe your symptoms and the timeline along which they have occurred. We also ask you which all the medications, vitamins, and supplements you are currently taking. The questions we typically ask are: how often are you experiencing these symptoms? Does anything help relieve your symptoms? Have you lost or gained weight recently? Are you more stressed than usual? When was your last menstrual period? Are you planning to get pregnant? Do you have trouble getting or maintaining an erection in case of men patients? Do you have vaginal dryness or pain during sex? Depending on your symptoms, we ask or suggest one or more diagnostic tests. We'll send a sample of your blood to the lab for testing. Most hormones can be detected in the blood. We request a blood test to check your thyroid, your levels of estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, and cortisol, along with your blood sugar levels, insulin, and hemoglobin A1C. We also ask for a few other blood tests pertaining to your specific symptoms. Other imaging tests are also required in few cases. We may request an ultrasound to get images of the uterus, ovaries, thyroid, pituitary gland, and testicles in men. Sometimes more advanced tests are required. This can include biopsy, MRI, X ray, thyroid scan, sperm count test in males. So, what are the consequences if these hormone imbalances are not treated? Anxiety, depression, sleep issues can happen because of this. Memory problems, psychosis, mood swings are very common. Fatigue, it can be adrenal fatigue. And lastly, the diabesity, that is, diabetes and obesity, are the major problems because of these hormonal imbalances. So, it's very important for timely diagnosis and treatment of these hormonal imbalances.